Dealing with broken or damaged fence panels can seriously mess with your backyard vibes and leave your home looking way less secure. So if you want your place to look sharp and feel safe, fixing those fence panels is where it's at. Okay, first thing you want to do is check out the whole fence and spot every panel that's cracked, split, or looking rough. If a panel is totally busted, just go ahead and swap it out for a fresh one. Unscrew the old panel, pop in a new one, and secure it tight. For smaller cracks or splits, you don't have to do a full replacement. Just grab some strong wood glue or exterior filler, slather it on the crack, and clamp it until it's dry. Easy fix. When the fence feels a little wobbly, you can reinforce it with metal brackets at the joints, which is such a game changer for making everything sturdy again. Always use weather-resistant screws and brackets so you're not fixing the same problem again next year because, let's be real, fences take a beating from rain and sun. Sand down any rough edges after you repair stuff so nobody gets splinters and it just looks nicer. Giving everything a fresh coat of paint or stain after repairs makes a huge difference in keeping your fence looking good and lasting way longer. And before you start anything, snap a few pics of your fence setup so if you get stuck, you can show someone at the hardware store exactly what you're working with. Trust me, it helps. One of the biggest mistakes people make with broken fence panels is ignoring small cracks until they turn into full-on disasters, but regular fence maintenance keeps problems small and cheap to fix. So just walk your fence every few months and knock out repairs as soon as you spot them. Another common issue is using cheap screws or brackets that rust like crazy. Always go for galvanized or stainless steel hardware for outdoor durability. Finally, folks often forget to seal or paint repaired areas, which means weather gets in and ruins all your hard work. Just take that extra step to seal things up right after repairs. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners easily connect with trusted local contractors for repairs like fence panel replacements, so you don't have to stress about finding someone reliable. If you're a contractor looking for steady work, listing your business on BigHomeProjects.com puts you in front of homeowners who are ready to hire right now.